The little thing is gone. I sad when the little thing's gone.
What's the little thing?
With this punky top.
Oh, Weedle.
Yeah.
Did you get your 2 blue spots? Turn around.
Blue spot.
Yep, there should be 2. And I can't stop forever. Did you get them?
Yep.
Okay, get the other one.
Where was the other one?
There should be one.
There's this one.
Okay.
There's one right next to me.
Oh. Which Pokemon's your favorite?
My Pokemon is my favorite. My Pokemon? I have 2 favorite Pokemon.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is Pidgey, and I switch my other favorite to the little guy.
Weedle?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I like little guys.
Do you like hunting on Pokemon Go? Do you like having your own phone to do it?
Yeah. I found a blue spot.
Yay!
I got spiders, 2 spiders, and 2 Pokeballs.
How do we normally go after Pokemon? Do we walk a lot?
Yeah,
Yeah. Why are we using the car this morning?
'cause
It's rainy.
yeah,
Yeah.
this rain can get into your car.
Yeah. And you really wanted to go Pokemon hunting, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to use my own phone. I like to use my own phone. I like this. Wait, pigeon!
What?
There's a pigeon, not a pigeon. Here's my pigeon. It's right on my leg the whole time.
There's a Pidgey on your leg?
Yes!
Oh my goodness!
Hold still. Hold still.
Did you catch it?
Nope. What?
Careful or you're gonna run out of Pokeballs. Remember, you can move your phone a little bit and that'll help you catch.
Hey. Hold still.
Is Pidgey listening?
Nope. I want our Pokeballs.
Oh no!
That's one. Can't catch my pig.
Oh, you need more Pokeballs, huh?
Yeah. Too bad I have to get a blue spot for me to get my Pokeballs.
Yes, you do, huh?